you're saying to me, you think you need a new plan. You know, what should you do with these? Should you get rid of them? And I'm a fan of let's cut them way back first before getting rid of them. They're very well established plants. They're just in rough shape.
Yep.
But then it gets to what's your appetite for seeing something that's not super attractive for a while? Do you care? How much do you care? Why do you care? Do you know what I mean?
I care a little bit because it's the front.
Right. But then again, these are well established, so they'll bounce back, but it'll take some time. If you remove them, this is hundreds of dollars probably in removal, and then you have to buy new plants.
Yep.
And then you have to wait for them to get bigger anyway.
Right.
So they may look better, but they're smaller, and you've now spent hundreds of dollars. So just think about that.
Yeah.
Okay.